Sikubingelele umbukeli weGeshenge TV konke nje indawo lafuna khona ke le video elana nginehambeli ke enginazo ezisuka kwaDiva. Yizo zisithathe ke zisibeke ukuthi masikhuluma ngoDiva sikhuluma ngani, yaqala nini, yaqala ubani, yenzani. Sizwele ke futhi ayigcine ngezifo kuphela kodwa futhi kunomsebenzi okhona uyakwazi ukuthi uzenzele ke imali ke khona. Njengoba manje sibe selapha ke kubaba umkhwane kuyena kezosithatha esibeke sivulele ukuthi ke ngabe bangobani ke benzani. Nginibingelele namukene.
Sibonge mhlonishwa kwiGeshenge TV. Izazi-ke ziyavumelana ngokwehlukahlukana ukuthi akukho kwedlula uDiva Secret International okuyingadlangadla-ke product ye-stem cell njengoba sazi abantu bakithi bayagula ngezigulo ezahlukahlukene kodwa-ke i-product esiyiphethe ayisizi nje abantu abagulayo kuphela kodwa i-product esebenza njengozifo zonke eyenza ukuthi noma ubani akwazi ukuthi ayidle egula noma engaguli. Uma ke sikhuluma ngoDiva Secret International sikhuluma ngekhampani esungulwe ngo-2022 lapha eMalaysia yafika ke la eSouth Africa ngo-2023. Ikhampani ke eyenza izimangaliso abantu bayaphila kahle kakhulu. Kanti ke kuphinde kube khona nendawo ke ukuthi abantu bazenzele ibhizinisi njengoba sibona ukuthi ingane zethu ziyaphuma emanyuvesi namajazi kodwa ziphinde zihlala nawe emakhaya umsebenzi ungekho. So ke simbona uDiva Secret ezoba ithuba elihle kakhulu lokuthi abantu mabaphile baphinde babe nemali kuphinde kuvuleke namathuba emisebenzi as well. Angihambi ke ngedwa njengoba sihlezi sibona sibahle kanje siuDiva Secret ngihamba nama leaders aqhamuka khona la kwaZulu Natal amaningi then amanye sisuka nawo lapha eGauteng ngoba kusasa sinendumezulu ye-presentation lapha e-multi purpose center lapho izinto zobe zenzeka khona la ulundo olumahliki lapha nje ngasemagroundini kuzobe kumnandi ngendlela esimangaliso. Sikhuluma ke into zimbili kuphela, impilo nemali. Ikhona ke inkosazane la eduze kwami baye bathi silwane esihle uThandiwe Dube. Inkosazane ke le esipresente nayo le business mina ngenza ama presentations wesiZulu njalo ngoLwezibili ngo7 ntambama bese kuthi le nkosazane eseduze kwami yenza ama presentations ngoLwezine ngesilungu. Yabona ke abazali babanikeza ithuba lokuya esikolweni bakwazi ukulisebenzisa. Angithathe zonke ke intambo la ngakimi ngizinikeze isilwane esihle.
And thank you so much to all the viewers that are listening, and good evening everybody. I've already been introduced. I want to talk about this incredible opportunity that is so unique in the market, because when we look at the market there are so many products that are out there, but what is important is that when you are venturing into a business you find a product that works, a product that is going to solve a problem. Because if you want to make money in any business or in any industry, you want to make sure that you are solving a problem. So the problem that we have, which is our Diva Stem Cell, is actually solving a problem in the community. Because we've got so many people that think that they don't have an opportunity in their life, that think that their life has ended, maybe because they're coming from different homes, from different backgrounds. But with this small box, lives are changing, lives are transforming. This opportunity, it doesn't matter what language you speak, it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter your background, it doesn't matter the level of your education. Everyone and anyone has an equal opportunity to succeed in life. Now, here is the important thing that a lot of people do not understand. They think that when we talk about selling, oh, am I going to go and sell the product? Is it for poor people? No, selling is a life skill. If you go out, we travel to many different countries out there and we get to see people selling out there. We've got so many people, like my leader said, so many youngsters are out of varsity, but they do not know what to do because all they have is just theory, it's just paper. But with this, you get practical lessons of how to lead your life. So now in life, we all have choices. Our choices that we make, they are based on the decisions that we make. But the decisions that we make, they are based on the level of our awareness and our exposure. What is it that you know about life? What do you want out of your life? Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe that you can come out of that situation that you are in? So, ladies and gentlemen, whoever is listening in right now, here is an opportunity that you can give to yourself, to look at yourself, give yourself an opportunity and a chance to succeed. This is that opportunity. So, over to you, Malika.
Thank you, my leadership. It's teamwork that makes the dream work. You snooze, you lose. Walala wasala. wavuka wazisola ingadlangadla-ke yethuba le ekumele ukuthi wonke umuntu alithathe alisebenzise ingqayizivele yethuba umdala umncane ufundile awufundile mthathe uDiva Secret baphila abantu iproduct yethu uyayidla ihambe iyoklina igazi lakho kube kuhle ngendlela esimangaliso bese sithi-ke phuza amanzi amaningi phela kuze ngenkathi iproduct ihamba iqoqa konke lokungcola afika amanzi aflashe out konke lokungcola abantu bahlale bemqemane ngaso sonke isikhathi uDiva Secret International uyazishintsha izimpilo zabantu.
Ngifuna ukubheka laba umkhane abantu banezifo eziningi oshukela o-BP abanye bashaywe izidroke abanye igazi alisahambi bona uDiva ulekelela kanjani into kanjani?
Into emnandi ngoDiva Secret ukuthi iproduct yethu njengoba uyibona nje yenziwe ngama-fruit ukudla-ke lokhu kwanoma ubani omdala nomncane izifo zonke i-supplement izondla mzimba so-ke wonke umuntu akayithathe le product okunye sayisigcizelele kakhulu mawukhuluma nje ngabantu abanalawo ma-chronic kanjalo ushukela o-BP nazo zonke lezo zinto bane-medication abayithathayo already banamaphilisi abawathathayo already abantu mabangayeki ukuthatha i-medication yabo akaqhubeke ne-medication yakhe kodwa abesethatha this product on the side into yake ibe simangaliso ukuthi umuntu uma eseyokwenza i-check-up kudoktor udokotela wakho ufike semangala uthi hayibo yini lo soyisebenzisa usuba ngcono kangaka so sithi kubantu bakithi thina nje sibanikeza i-product silindele yena umuntu abuye eze kuye kithi esezosinikeza i-testimony ukuthi uzweni ngento esimnikeze yona so-ke kafishane nje mhlonishwa i-product yethu eyanoma ubani ogulayo nongaguli ukudla it's a lifestyle.
Mhlawumbe omunye odla-ke amaphilisi akawadlayo kufanele eqhelele kangakanani ukuthi edle uDiva nokuthi besedla amaphilisi akhe noma uyakwazi ukudla kayena ufuna kuqhelelana?
Ake ngithathe intambo ngezinikeze wena leadership.
So uDiva ukudla ufana nomuntu oyithathela nje ifruit azilele yona so ayinawo ama-contraindications njengamanje kusho ukuthi awulimazi umzimba unless ukuthi mhlambe uthola ukuthi unama-side effects mawudle ifruit uma kuwukuthi uyazi ukuthi umudlele ifruit akunankinga kusho ukuthi usangayithathela uDiva uphinde uyithathele nalawo maphilisi sesithi-ke ukuze iproduct isebenze kahle emzimbeni kubalulekile ukuthi uyithathe ungadlile ekuseni on an empty stomach so that uzokwazi ukuthi ngempela iproduct iyasebenza so ayona ikhemikhali ethi mingene emzimbeni bese ilimaza ngaphakathi emzimbeni lokhu kudla-ke enye into ebalulekile ukuthi abantu kumele bayazi ukuthi uma uzothatha le product uthatha iproduct ukudla lokho ukudla nje kuphela akwanele emzimbeni njengoba eshilo bamkhani ukuthi kufuneka futhi uphinde uphuze amanzi amaningi emzimbeni enye-ke into ebulala abantu bakithi ukuthi asinyakazi ngale mzimba esinayo esayinikezwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi uthi usukudlile ukudla wawuphuza amanzi kodwa uhlala nje ubuka i-TV ngaso sonke isikhathi so abantu abaningi babulawa yi-lifestyle so imikhuhlane ephethe abantu imikhuhlane efana nabo-diabetes abo-high blood pressure those most of them are lifestyle diseases siyazi ukuthi ikhona imikhuhlane mhlawumbe siyithatha ngoba ngokwegazi kodwa imikhuhlane eminingi ingoba ukudla esikudlayo akusasinikezi ama-nutrients a-enough la emzimbeni uma uthatha le product iyakwazi ukuthi kunikeze lokho kudla okudingayo emzimbeni mhlawumbe ongakutholi kulokudla esikudlayo emakhaya ingakho-ke sithi lokudla kuyaphilisa uma uthatha le product ungathathi iproduct nje yodwa phakama nawe uthi ukuhamba phela ukwazi ukuthi usize umzimba wakho ukwazi ukuphila so umzimba udinga izinto ezintathu udinga ama-nutrients udinga i-oxygen bese udinga amanzi le oxygen siyithola ngoba si-exercise simove imzimba so kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu uma esethola iproduct angabe sethi sengi-right ngoba ngithatha iproduct bese ehlala ekhaya engenzile ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi uphuze amanzi ngoba ungaphuza amanzi le product izohlala emzimbeni bese uthi iproduct iyangigulisa kanti wena ongayithathanga ngendlela so amanzi abalulekile emzimbeni yethu ngoba imizimba yethu idalwe 75% of our bodies is water is fluid so kubalulekile ukuthi siphuze amanzi and ukuphuza amanzi akuso wonke umuntu okumele aphuze 2 litha ukuphuza amanzi kuya ngokuthi umzimba wakho ungakanani so the bigger you are usho ukuthi kumele uphuze amanzi amaningi angeke uphuze amanzi omuntu oweya u60 kg afane nomuntu oweya u120 kg so abantu kumele bazazi zonke lezo zinto ngoba njalo nje kutaphuza amanzi wonke umuntu uphuza u2 litha kodwa uthola ukuthi lo 2 litha wena akakulingele ngoba umzimba wakho awufani so kwamele sifunde zonke lezi zinto uma sifunda ngokwempilo sizokwazi ukuthi sonke siphile kangcono ke nawo-ke uDiva nempilo aze-ke nemali Hayi-ke into ekhona ukuthi abantu abaningi sesikhulume ngale nto ukuthi you need at least 7 streams of income. La kwaDiva unalo ithuba lokuthi uzicreatele those 7 streams of income. Kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi uzakhele ibhizinisi through this product. I-product lena-ke azithi la ekhaya asikhulumi ngokurecruit. Sikhuluma ngokuthi uma ususebenzise le product wabona ukuthi iyakusebenzela, hamba-ke uyosiza omunye umuntu, umsherele le bhizinisi, umbonise impilo ngoba nawe phela usuke usuyibonile.
Wow, sibonge nkosazane amazwi amnandi ngoDiva Secret International. Asambeni-ke izingane zakwethu kuwena omamele njengamanje, azi ukuthi uyathanda awuthandi impilo yakho isezandleni zakho. Thatha i-action, kube khona okwenzayo ukuthi ube healthy, kube khona okwenzayo ukuthi ube wealthy as well. Sesikhulumile nangamathuba emisebenzi. Ibhizinisi leli la noma ubani, ufundile noma ungafundile, asidinge your 3 years experience, your 5 years experience, uzongena ngaphakathi sikubambe ngengalo, sambe sibheke phambili, sibheke empumelelweni. uDiva Secret International uyazishintsha izimpilo zabantu.
Khona ozobuka le video ebese eyathanda uzoyibuza ukuthi mangifuna ukungena ngingena kanjani, kwenziwa kanjani kule bhizinisi uzobe ngaphakathi, ngiphi imigudu elandelwayo.
Uma ke sowufuna ukungena ebhizinisini kuleyo area okuyo, kuyaye kufunakala ukuthi uthole umuntu oseduzane naye, or angazi noma singazikhipha izinombolo zama-leaders wethu akhona la ekhaya elikhulu KwaZulu Natal, njengoba siSolundi nje olumahlikihliki, then sikwazi ukuthi abantu bathole usizo. Ukhona umama uBathabile Manzini walapha eThekwini, utholakala kwa 079 517 4306. Ngiphinde 079 517 4306. Ngizozikhipha nje zibe ninganyana izinombolo ukuze abantu bazi ukuthi bathinta obani mangabe befuna ibhizinisi la ekhaya, kakhulu njengoba esila KwaZulu Natal. Kube khona uMamthethwayo waseNgwelezane, ingadlangadla enkulu kakhulu, yagijima ihlala itatazela, utholakala kwa 072 242 7255. Ngiphinde 072 242 7255. Then bese kuba nomama uGwala, umama uGwala wakhona la Olundo olumahlikihliki. Umama uGwala nitholakala kwa 083 245 2951. 083 245 2951. Phinde futhi khona la Olundi sibe nomama uNkosi. Umama uNkosi yena utholakala kwa 082 871 9123. 082 871 9123. Ibo laba eningabathinta la ekhaya elikhulu KwaZulu Natal, and then bakuchushise ukuthi mawufuna ukungena ebhizinisini wenza kanjani, then sizibambe ziqine. Baningi kakhulu ebesingakwazi ukuzikhipha inombolo, kodwa ke abanye bazozithola. Oh wonderful, khona nengadlangadla uThandabani, ngimbiza ukuthi uThandabani. uThandabani uzenze lapha eRichards Bay. Inamba yakhe u082 854 8134. Ngiphinde inamba kaThandabani Yellowbone u082 584 8134. Bathinteni-ke bonke labo bantu bazonichushisa ukuthi senza kanjani kuze ube yimember kwaDiva Secret International, ushintshe yakhe impilo kodwa uphinde ushintshe nempilo zabanye abantu. uZig Ziglar othi if you want to be successful in life, help enough people get what they want, then you will get what you want. So ke mase ulithole leli thuba musu kuligcina kuwe, wena usuyimember, that's amazing, but go out and share this opportunity with as many people as much as you can. We love you all.
Mhlawumbe sesiphetha umhlaba wonke lanenza khona opposition, ngabe yiziphi indawo ba le video zibihambela yonke indawo, yiziphi indawo enenza khona ukuze umuntu okulowo ndawo leyo azi ukuthi mabe elalele ngaya kuphi.
iSouth Africa yonke sikhona Johannesburg, KwaZulu Natal, Eastern Cape, actually nje wonke ama-province ala eSouth Africa sikhona. Size siphumele nangaphandle kweSouth Africa ko Lesotho, ko Zimbabwe, ko Mozambique, even nangaphesha kwezilwandle. So ke nje sikhona sisakazeke umhlaba wonke jikelele, and ama-testimonies abantu ababuya nawo sebencoma indlela abasizakala ngayo ngeproduct yethu enza izimangaliso. Product yethu iyazikhulumela yona ngokwayo. I don't know if you want to say a word, leadership.
Njengamanje uDiva usemazweni andlula 40 in over 40 countries. Lokho kusho ukuthi abantu bayaphila, abantu bayasizakala, impilo zabantu ziyashintsha. So nawe ke nali ithuba for wena, abantu bayahlupheka because they keep on passing on opportunities repeatedly. So ngithi kuwena ke, don't pass on this opportunity. The poverty is a mindset. So once you begin to change your mindset, you begin to change your wallet, you begin to change your pocket. Siyabonga.
Sikhule siqhubule kunazo. Ngicela nesisho.
Ayeye Diva, ayeye.
Ayeye.
Ayeye Diva stem cell, ayeye.
Ayeye.
Angikhohlwa ngahle ngiyakwazi ukuthi umlungu ngamangala ngizokuzwa. Hayi ukuthi ngikhohlwe ngitheka nawe umuntu wakamlungu uzothi athi umlungu ngiyamhlolela akusiya nje nenamba le. Hawu manje sithi uyayikoleni yohlola nje wena ngidayisa.
This is good.
Esa athi umhloli wami. Hawu